In this video we will talk about kennel cough in dogs. How to treat kennel cough in dogs. Kennel cough symptoms. We will also talk about home remedies for kennel cough in dogs. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Known as infectious tracheobronchitis or canine infectious respiratory disease. Kennel cough in dogs is a type of respiratory infection caused by a number of different viruses and infectious agents. Canine parainfluenza virus, canine adenovirus 2, Bordetella bronchiseptica, and mycoplasma. Home remedies for coughing in dogs. It's not uncommon for your dog to cough when his throat, lungs, or breathing passages are irritated. Just like when humans cough, the sound can be a simple clearing of the throat. Number 1. Garlic is a great addition to the diet of dogs suffering with kennel cough. Peel some garlic cloves and place them in a glass jar. Cover with a few good lugs of organic olive oil and leave to infuse for 24 hours. Add a few drops to each meal. Number 2. Organic unrefined, virgin coconut oil also possesses amazing immune-enhancing properties. Coconut oil contains medium-chain fatty acids that are antiviral and antibacterial, as well as many other benefits. A dosage of about 1 to 2 teaspoons of coconut oil per 10 pounds of body weight per day can be divided into your dog's meals to help combat kennel cough. Half this dosage can be used for maintenance of long-term health. Use slightly less if any signs of loose stool occur. Number 3. Raw honey is a great natural treatment that helps soothe the throat. Raw honey also has antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antifungal properties. A 30 to 50 pounds dog can be given about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of honey 3 to 4 times a day. Adjust this amount up or down depending on the size of your dog. Homeopathic remedies for kennel cough include: Number 1. Drosera for a dry, hacking cough and violent coughing spells. The throat feels ticklish when Drosera is indicated, and pressure to the neck, such as from a collar, can trigger a bout of coughing. The cough may also be worse when lying down. Number 2. Aconite is useful in the very early stages, when signs of kennel cough, coughing, hacking as though something is caught in the throat, first appear. Number 3. Rumex Crispus is helpful for a cough associated with tickling in the throat, and which tends to be dry and persistent. Number 4. Spongia Tosta is most helpful for croupy, barking coughs which tend to improve with eating and drinking warm things but get worse from cold drinks. Spongia is indicated for a cough that startles the dog from sleep. How to treat kennel cough in dogs. Number 1. Essential oils. Essential oils are everywhere, just like coconut oil, and many of them were shown to be effective for coughing. For dogs with kennel cough, you can spray their crate with a little blend of eucalyptus, oregano, and lavender, which may help to reduce the coughing and disinfect the air. Number 2. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has medicinal and antiviral properties, and has been used as a remedy for different health issues. It's safe for dogs and was even shown to help with lowering blood pressure to its baseline and improving heart problems. Number 3. Humidifiers. If you live in an especially dry area, the humidifier can make a world of difference. You can also use essential oils alongside it to reap even more benefits. Number 4. Water. Make sure your dog is staying hydrated. Water is also important in flushing out the toxins. If your pet doesn't want to drink water, try some techniques to entice them. You can also try giving your pet a few ice cubes to chew on. Number 5. Rest. One of the most important things you can do is encourage your pooch to rest. Keep your dog in a quiet area of the house, away from kids and other pets, especially since your dog is contagious to other animals right now. Number 6. Steam treatments. Just like when a kid has crud stuck in their lungs, having your dog sit in the steamy bathroom while you shower can help loosen up gunk and get those coughs to be a little more productive. It's like sitting in a room with a giant humidifier. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.